I'm going to see if I can bring this back into use. A few years ago, I created this circular herb bed, but life got busy and it's now very overgrown. I'm starting clearing the top growth. I'm then going to dig the roots of these weeds out fully. Just look at the root on this dock. So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to move this circle ever so slightly. I'm going to take the rest of the bricks up and then I'm going to remark this out. I've laid 3 rows of bricks. I'm not cementing them or anything. The soil should hold those in place. So I've got some garden compost in this wheelbarrow here, together with some shop bought compost. So I'm going to mix all of this together with some horticultural grit. It's amazing the difference a bit of compost makes. I've got this old chimney pot as well. I'm going to fill this up with some compost so I can plant that up too. So now it's time for the fun bit. I've got a selection of herbs here. You can't help but smell herbs, I think, when you've got them. I've got some scented geraniums here which are edible. The one at the back is cola, and it really does smell of cola bottles, which is kind of incredible. For all of the Mediterranean herb, you know, they will love full sun and good drainage. I'm positioning the plants that are going to grow taller towards the back of the beds. You want to try to keep plants together that enjoy similar conditions. So I'm going to get planting. This is a bit root bound, the Santolina. Doesn't matter if you break a few. There we go, that'll be fine now. So Bergamot plant, as I say, it's good for the wildlife. They love the flowers. My grandmother always used to say never to replant parsley, reasons of luck. So I bought a pot. I don't think that counts. There have been some ants nesting in this. So woodpeckers really love eating ants. So, you know, they're all part of the ecosystem. This is my lavender. This is really going to fill this space, so I might also put some trailing plants in here. Just 2 things left to do now. First is water. This is going to help keep the weeds down and the moisture in. I'm glad to have this back in use. Thanks for watching.